So good morning my dear students. In the last class, so we have solved some numericals which are related to the first part of sum chapter. So I think I have already solved 7 numericals. So in this class we will see the remaining numericals. So let's go for the 8th numerical. So that is a man standing in front of a vertical cliff 5 seconds. He hears the echo after 3 seconds on moving closer to the cliff by 82.5 meters. He fires again and hears the echo after 2.5 seconds. Find the first one is the distance of cliff from the initial position of a man, and the second one is the speed of sound. So look at the question correctly. So what is given? A man or a person is standing in front of a vertical cliff. So it is on a cliff. So a person is standing at some distance, and he is standing at a distance of d, and when he stood at a distance d from that cliff, he 5 seconds and he hears an echo after 3 seconds. So that is the first echo he heard after 3 seconds. From the relation v is equals to 2d by t, we will write t1 as 2d by v. And what is the time taken to hear the first echo? That is 3 seconds. So it means 2d by v is equals to 3 seconds, and then he moving very closer to the cliff by a distance of 82.5 meters. So this is his original position. So from this position he moved a distance of 82.5 meters. Means this is his original. This is a new position, and now what is the new distance between the new position of a person and the cliff? That is d minus 82.5 meter. So now by moving this much distance, he 5 seconds again, and then he hears an echo after 2.5 seconds. So then t2 is equals to again 2d by v. So here what is the distance? d minus 82.5 meter divided by v. So it is equals to 2.5 seconds. So now we got the two equations to hear first echo and the second echo. Now just you divide the second equation by first equation, so then you will get the value of distance. So what you have to do now? Divide the second equation by first equation. So what is the second equation? 2d minus 82.5 divided by v divided by 2d. Right side, it is equals to 3 seconds divided by 2.5 divided by 3. So here v is there. So v and v gets cancelled. So what will be remaining here? 2d. So 2d minus 82.5 divided by 2v is equals to 2.5 divided by 3. So what we will get here? 2d, 2 into d, 2d minus 82.5 into 2. So 82 2 ja 164, 164.5 into 2 1. So that is 165 divided by 2d. It is equals to 2.5. Just you cancel this decimal point, you will get 1 0 here. So 25 divided by 30. So 25 means 5 5 ja 5 6 ja. So 2b minus 165 divided by 2b is equals to 5 divided by 6. So just you do the cross multiplication. So 2d minus 165 into 6 is equals to 5 into 2d. So 6 2 ja 12d minus 6 5 ja 30, carry 3, 6 6 ja 36 plus 3 39, carry 3, 6 1 ja 6 plus 3 9. So 12d minus 9d is equals to 10d. So next 12d minus 10d is equals to 990. So 12d minus 10d is equals to what? 2d, and right side what is remaining? 990. So d is equals to 990 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8, carry 1. So it becomes 19. 19 means 2 9 ja, carry 1, and 2 5 ja 10. So the distance between cliff and that person is 495 meter. So this is how you are going to calculate the distance between cliff and the person. And what is the second one? Speed of sound. So we can easily find out the speed of sound by using a relation v is equals to 2d by t. So what the distance we got just now? D is equals to 495 meter. So by using relation v is equals to 2d by t, v is equals to 2d by t. So from this relation we can easily find out the speed. V is equals to 2 into, so what the d we got just now, that is 495, and time, which time you are going to take? They are given 2 times here. So one is to hear a first echo, that is 3 seconds, and to hear a second echo, that is 2.5 seconds. So which time you are going to take here? So that is to hear the first echo, that is 3 seconds. So V is equals to 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. So next one is remaining. So 3 6 ja 18. 1 is remaining, 3 5 ja. So 165 2 ja 330 meter per second. So this is the speed of sound in an air medium. Okay students, come to the ninth numerical. A person standing between two vertical cliffs and 640 meter away from the nearest cliff produces sound. He hears the first echo after 4 seconds and second echo 3 seconds later. Calculate the speed of sound in air and distance between cliff. So listen the numerical correctly here and read the question correctly one more time. A person is standing between two vertical cliffs. How many cliffs are given here? 2. So 2 vertical cliffs are given, and a person is standing in between those two cliffs, and he is standing at a distance of 640 meter away from the nearest cliff. So he is standing very close to one cliff at a distance of 640 meter. And he produces a sound. He hears the first echo after 4 seconds. By standing at this position at a distance of 640 meter from the very close cliff, then he produces a sound. Then he hears the echo after 4 seconds. So means the first echo is heard after 4 seconds, and the second echo is heard 3 seconds later. So first time the echo is heard at the time of 4 seconds. The second echo is heard 3 seconds later. Then what is the total time taken for the second echo to be here? That is 4 plus 3, 7 seconds. Means after 7 seconds, the second echo is heard. Now calculate the speed of sound in air and distance between the two cliffs. First, speed of sound in air. So that is V is equals to 2d by t. So V is equals to 2 into. So what is the distance is given here? 640 meters divided by t is 4 seconds. So V is equals to, so 4 1 ja 4, what is remaining 2, 4 6 ja, and 160 into 2, that is 320 meter per second. So this is the speed of sound in air medium. Next, distance between the two cliffs. We already know the distance between the person and the closest cliff, and in the question they ask the distance between two cliffs. We know only this distance, we don't know this. Then first find out this distance, then add these two distance, you will get the total distance between the two cliffs. So distance is equal to V into T divided by 2. Distance is equal to V is the speed of sound, that is 320 meter per second, and the time. Listen, which time you have to use here? See, first at this position, by standing at this position, he produces an echo, and first echo is heard after 4 seconds, and the second echo is heard after 7 seconds. So to find out this distance, we have to use the second time taken for the echo to be here. That is 7 seconds divided by, what is, okay, 2 here. Distance is equal to, so 2 1 ja 2 16. So 16 7 ja 112, and one more 0 is here. So distance is 1120 meter. So the distance between the person and the other cliff is 1120 meter. But in question they asked about the distance between the two cliffs. So this is D1 and it is D2. So the total distance D is equal to D1 plus D2. D is equal to, what is D1? 640 meter plus D2 is 1120 meter, and D is equal to 640 plus 1120, 0 6 7, so 1760 meter. So this is the distance between two vertical cliffs. And now I completed 8th and 9th numericals. So just one more numerical is remaining. So just you solve that. So we'll go for next topic in the next class. Thank you.